Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to join an invite Canva Pro link. You wanted to have a Canva Pro, someone else send an invite to you, or you just purchase an Canva Pro and an invite is being sent to you to join. How do you join it? I'm going to show you. So what you need to do is sorry guys, so what you need to do is go to the invite link, maybe from your Facebook or anywhere they send the link to you. So I'm going to show you one of the link now. So this is the one of a link to a Canva Pro. What you need to do is, as an Android user or an iPhone, any link sent to you, just double click on it or just long press on it. Then you're going to see a link copy. If you're using your laptop, you want to do is just right click, then you copy the link. Then after that, you go to your Chrome browser, and then go to the search button here, and the long press for you to be able to paste the link that you copy. Once you long press it, just click on send, and you're going to see the invite link now this is it. They say it looks like you don't have access to the link. So I've already joined this link. So for you that you haven't joined any link, it's going to come here. Once you come here, it's going to ask you to log into the Canva. So you just have to log into the Canva that you wanted to use, that you'll be able to join the team very easily. So just make sure that you use the exact Canva, because if you have more than one Canva, maybe more than one let me see more than one Canva that you opened, you have to make sure you use the one that you wanted to use to be able to use the Canva Pro. So here you can say I've already used it, so the link has expired. The link used to expire, so make sure you use it very fast. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment, and please subscribe. It really helps us a lot. Thank you guys.